Hey, what's up? Don't click away. I'm going to show you how we repaired a cracked front screen on a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 without taking it apart. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for sticking around and watching this episode. If this is your first time here and you enjoy all things tech and repair related, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and smack the bell so you're notified on our latest videos. And if you like, feel free to check us out on our social media platforms found below. Alright, now that we got all that stuff out of the way, what is up guys? Thank you all so much once again for tuning in and checking out this episode. I really do hope you guys are doing great out there. I know right now the whole world is in a pandemic. So I hope you guys are all staying safe in quarantine. I know most countries, they have lifted everything and we are starting to get back to normal. Just make sure that when you guys are out there, be safe and cautious and always make sure to take care of yourself. So today what I am going to cover is a cracked front screen on a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace the front glass on the device without taking the phone apart. Now we have been doing this method for quite some time and we have some really great success doing so. We like to do this just to prevent from us having to remove the frame and any other necessary parts and components. This is not a DIY or something for you guys to attempt at home. It can lead to more damage on the AMOLED display, causing your repair to cost even more than what we can actually repair it for. We're simply making these videos just to show our customers the transparency on how we repair their devices once they are delivered to us. If you guys do want to learn how to start doing these repairs, please make sure you check out my online courses. They are now available on podia.com. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. And just a heads up guys, if you do want to get in this industry, it is not cheap, okay? I'd expect you guys to at least have $15,000 to invest and starting up your business so you guys can offer these services. Now for all our customers out there that are looking for a repair, please visit us at mrphonedoctor.com or email us repairs@mrphonedoctor.com. We'll send you our latest pricing. Just make sure to reach out to us or call us directly on our 1-800 number found below in the description. And if you guys are enjoying our content, please make sure to share it with a friend. I'm sure they'd be more than happy to see how we can save them money on repairing their device. So with all that said and out of the way, let's step back into the lab and let's get this sucker dissected. So this is the Note 10 that we're actually going to be working on today. You can see there's a couple cracks on this screen. And we're going to go ahead and move forward in the typical procedure that we do, which is going to be in frame without disassembling the device. I know people are saying that they're trying to charge $300-400 for, you know, Note 10 screen repairs, and that's just getting ridiculous in price, you know. This type of repair is very niche. There isn't too many people that offer this, so that is why you're getting those high expensive rates. What they're doing is they're just replacing the whole display assembly and the glass and the frame. So normally when your screen breaks, it's just the glass, you know, everything's still fully working like you can see here. So let's go ahead and begin. We're going to go ahead and test the touch, make sure everything's fully working. And in this case, you can see it is. We're ready to begin. And for those of you guys that ask, the temperature is 90 degrees, okay? We use 90 degrees on this, so I hope that answers a lot of questions. Here's the finished skinning. You can see how a lot of the glue remained on the glass, which is nice. So let's go ahead and boot it up. Give it a test. Make sure everything's fully working. Alright, let's get started. Let's test the touch. There you go. She's beautiful. Alright, now that we have confirmed that the touch is working, we can move forward and begin removing all the OCA that is left on this AMOLED display. Phone is up to temperature. Let's begin removing the OCA. Here's the finished cleaning on the device. Let's go and give it a touch test. Make sure everything is fully working. And she looks great. Let me show you guys just the detailed clean work that we did here. You can see how everything's nice and clean. So we can go ahead and move forward and laminate the glass onto the device. Alright, welcome back to the laminating station. In this next step, we're going to laminate the glass of the Note 10 onto the OCA. So let's go ahead and begin by applying the OCA onto the mold. We can go ahead and prepare the glass, which we have ready to go. So all my pressures and settings are all set up. All I need to do is just remove this glass protector and the OCA sheet, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, everything's set. So we'll let this go a few minutes and we'll cut back as soon as it's done. Alright, the OCA to glass lamination has finished. Let's go and reveal. Make sure everything looks nice and aligned. And she came out perfect, no bubbles. So let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks without any bubbles on the edges. I'm using this black background, so I'm hoping you can see it. But yeah, if you look on the corners, there is no bubbles whatsoever. I'll turn it over. And you can see that everything on here is perfect. So no need to autoclave this screen. We're going to go ahead and laminate it as is onto the device. Now that we have the OCA and glass prepped, we can go ahead and start preparing the Note 10 by giving it a final detail clean. After it's clean, we'll go ahead and laminate. Hope you guys are really enjoying these. Appreciate you guys sticking around. It's been a whole year. It's crazy how time has flown. We're at 6K subs, so thank you guys. Appreciate it so much. Let's see if we can hit 20 by the end of the year. Can we do it? Need you guys' help. Come on, help share. Let's sharing is caring, my friends. Let people know about us. All right, so we're almost done. I just have a trained eye and I see every little blam. It's crazy. The more of these you do, the more you're able to spot little blemishes. And that's what we want to do, get rid of all this stupid little dust and debris. Alright, I'm going to get a clean one. And then we should be ready to squash. Alright. Let's work quickly before anything falls on it. Falls to... Okay, we're still good. Perfect. Alrighty. Set the lid on and drop her in the vacuum. Or I should say laminator, but we are going to do a long vacuum on here, so either or. Boom. Alright. So we'll squash this for about 3 minutes. Once it's done, we'll come back and we'll do the reveal touch test. If there are any bubbles, which I'm almost certain there will be, we'll go ahead and put it in our autoclave. So we'll see you guys here shortly. All right, laminating has finished. Let's go ahead and reveal. Here she is. You can see a few little bubbles down here in this area, which we'll be able to cook out in our autoclave. But let me just show you guys the touch and everything's working.
All right, there we go. So let's go ahead and set this in our autoclave right in here. And once it's done, we'll go ahead and cut back. All right, the autoclave process has finished. Let's go ahead and reveal. There she is. Pretty, pretty. Buenísima. She is as good as new. So we'll go ahead and want to give it a test touch. Make sure everything's fully working. And there we have it. This Note 10 is repaired. She has been brought back to life by the flux capacitor. There it is. So that's going to pretty much wrap up our Note 10 front glass repair without disassembling the device. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just want to send a big thank you to each one of you guys who have supported us this past year. It's been a crazy, hectic, but fun year. I look forward to what 2020 has to offer as soon as all this corona mess is done. I really hope you guys are staying safe, contained, and entertained. Thank you all once again for supporting us here at Mr. Phone Doctor. If you guys need a screen repair, please make sure to reach out to us at mrphonedoctor.com, or you can email us repairs@mrphonedoctor.com. And if you guys are into social media, feel free to follow us at the following social media platforms, and you can also add us on TikTok at Mr. Phone Doctor. So that's going to be it for today. The doctor signing out. Cheers.